Do you need that perfect wash and go, just full of volume, full of definition, and just giving you the life that you need, honey? Stay tuned to my wash and go styling tutorial up next. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I styled my wash and go. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair, so let's get right to it. I'm just gonna unravel my flat twist, so I'm gonna do one twist at a time. I did 4 flat twists in my hair after I deep conditioned and washed the conditioner out while it was twisted. So if you would like a video on how I wash and deep condition, just let me know in the comments below. So now I'm going to take my go-to leave-in conditioner. It's by Attribution Naturals and it's the lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Of course, if you watched my first video, you would know that this is my go-to product. I love it. It smells great and it makes detangling my hair so easy. I'm going to actually have to take my glasses off because they're in the way. But boom, there you go. A whole different woman. I'm kidding. But yes, I'm just going to put the product all through my hair. Next, I'm going to apply the Camille Rose Naturals Fresh Curl Revitalizing Hair Smoother. This is the first time I've ever tried a product from Camille Rose's line, and this is the newest product I have in my curly hair routine. This stuff is very lightweight, and I love that, and it keeps my hair moisturized and soft. Now I'm going to use the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is my favorite gel. I love this stuff. It doesn't flake for me. It gives me so much shine and it gives me a lot of hold. I love that because my hair is very thick, so I need as much hold and definition as I can get. This is definitely a go-to product that I would recommend for all natural curly hair girls, especially if you have thick curls like mine. I freaking love this product and I would definitely recommend you guys go out to your local beauty supply store and purchase it. It's only like $3 for this 16 fluid ounce jar. Definitely go get you some. Last but not least, I'm going to use my Attribution Naturals Glazed Argan Oil Silkener. I apply this after I apply all of the products in my hair just so that it can give me some extra shine and leave my hair looking flawless and beautiful. So as you can see, this is the result for one section of my hair as I've applied all the products that I usually put in my hair for my wash and go. Now I'm going to just do the rest of my head, so I'm going to speed things up. So this is my hair once I've applied all of the product. Of course, it's still damp and I did not decide to diffuse it this time. So I just let it air dry. So what I'm going to do is just take a towel and put it over my face so that I can shake my hair up and down, round and round, side to side, back and forth until I feel that my curls aren't as clumped together as they should be, and just wait for the next day. Hey guys, so I am back. This is actually my second day hair. As you guys can see, I didn't get a chance to finish filming yesterday because I was a little busy, but I am back with my second day hair. As you can see, it's very fluffy and big. You can see my curl pattern very well. So thank you guys for tuning in to my wash and go tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys loved it. If so, please comment, like, and subscribe down below.